Hi everybody, I'm Sonali here. My channel's name is Beauty by Sonali. Today's topic is very different, very unique. A must if you're a makeup artist, what you have to have in your bag when you're going for work. So it's a very unique topic. So let's continue. And if at all you have not subscribed by now, please do subscribe to my channel. I do post several videos a week. So it's a very interesting topic. Let's get started. So, generally, if at all you're a makeup artist, you need to have a bag which has multiple zips so that you can keep many things with you. My bag is very simple, it has 3 4 zips. So, I'll just show you what is in my bag. The first and the foremost thing is your extra mask, which has to be there with you now. If at all you have forgotten, you have just worn one mask, it is very compulsory now, so always carry a extra mask with you. So this is one in my bag and another one. And after that, obvious, it is money has to be there in your bag. And money means not you generally when you're traveling a lot, you need to have a lot of change because you're traveling by cab or Ola, Uber, so that you always, anytime, any given point of time, you need change. Keep change must in your bag because all the time you will require it whenever you are traveling for work. If you're using your own vehicle, that is okay, but if you're traveling through Uber or Ola or a local transport, you need change is must in your bag. So see that you carry change, especially the coins and 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees note with you. It is a must in your bag. So after that is your sanitizer. See that you always carry your sanitizer whether it was COVID or no, but yes, cleaning your hand before makeup is a must. So see that you always carry a sanitizer with you. It's just because today is COVID we are using it, but yes, I always had in my bag a sanitizer because before touching your client or some before starting your makeup, it is a must that you clean your hands and then start your makeup. So a sanitizer. And see that you always keep one extra compact with you for touch up, for your own touch up. This is my personal thing, so see that you keep one compact with you. So I'm just taking out as whatever random things are coming out from my bag. And in hair tie, which is a must for every girl, in fact, another hair tie. So after that, something, these kind of boxes, you get these tidbits or these kind of boxes, a very small handy boxes where you can keep these kind of U pins, safety pins extra if at all you need to give retouch ups for client, in the sense you need to drape their saris after your makeup is done, there is a second change or something, and you don't want to open your whole vanity bag. So see that you always keep these kind of boxes where your hairpins and safety pins are there in it, and you just keep it in your bag so that it doesn't get scattered, and it's very handy. You just take it out and you can just use it for your client immediately if at all they require a pin, or just pin up wherever. If at all there's a second change, you can just take out a pin from here and do a pin up from here, sorted. So few eatables with you sometimes if at all you're hungry and you're late for the rituals are going for long and it's very late, and sometimes you skip your lunch or you skip your breakfast, and if you're hungry, so this kind of very healthy things you can keep it in your bag, a box of nuts, or this kind of peanut chicky or something like that, so that it keeps you energetic and gives you energy at that minute, because it is you need to work. So if at all you need to work, you need to have something. So see that for emergencies you can keep these kind of things in your bag. Second zip, always carry your charger, your wire, and a power bank with you, so that it makes it very easy. If at all you're running out of battery also, immediately if you put it for charge, you can do your work is sorted, and you can take your pictures and videos that minute. Okay, and after that, this is a must. Let it be for you or for your client, if forgotten your date and you get, this is a must in your bag for yourself and for the client also. You can help them out if at all they have forgotten their pads. So important thing is mints. You have to smell good whenever you are working towards the client, because your face is very close to the client. You have to smell good. You should be hygiene. At the same time, your mouth has to smell good. So see that you always carry a mint with you. And if at all your client requires, you can give them also, because even you have to feel comfortable. So it is vice versa. So see that you carry mints with you, compulsory with you, for you and for your client. Lotion, sometimes it is like it's a very simple thing, but why lotion? Clients sometimes forget to pack their makeup, personal makeup kit. Lotions help, as I have made a video previously, in essentials, pre-bridal essentials. Moisturizer helps in taking out your makeup, at the same time helps in putting your bangles, because sometimes there are swellings in your hand. So see that you keep one moisturizer in your bag, and one bindi packet with you, because obviously it is always for the client if at all she has forgotten to get her personal bindis, because customers choice, depending what they want they get. But if at all they have forgotten, you see that you carry one extra bindi packet for them, so that it'll be useful anytime, anywhere, you will not know. So this is one. And my house keys. And what else? Safety. Pepper spray is also a must in your bag, for because you are going to travel at odd timings, like early mornings, late nights. You never know what is going to happen when. So see that you always keep safety first. Always a must in your bag. A pepper spray has to be there in your bag for your safety purpose. I do carry medicines at times, because painkiller in your bag. Majority I have always used it for my clients itself, because client and for you at times, because sometimes you get headache or back pain. Due to that, sometimes you need to complete your work. You can't run away from there. So to complete your work, you need to, even sometimes if you're having pain, you need to take a painkiller and complete your work. So this becomes very handy. Not every time, but yes, it is helpful for you as well as for the client also. So see that you keep a painkiller in your bag. It's a must for you and your client. You never know who wants it. So if at all they have a headache, you can tell them, yes, I have a painkiller, if you want you can take it. So it becomes useful. And yes, I can tell you, I have many times always offered painkiller for my clients, because they have severe headaches due to rituals and odd timings of getting up and sleeping late. So this becomes very handy. I You will find this tip very helpful, because keeping a painkiller will get a smile on your client's face. ID card is must in your bags, because whenever you are checking, if at all the client is at the hotel and she calls you to get her ready over there at the event, what happens is you need to submit your ID proof. This is a must. It's a very important tip for all the makeup artists here, because carrying your ID proof becomes a must in your bag. Why? Because if at all a client is getting ready at the hotel, it is always, though they have called you at the event at the hotel to get them ready over there, but what happens, the hotel asks you to submit your proof, though the client has submitted their proof, but when you are entering the premises, you need to submit your proof. So you need to compulsory carry your Aadhaar card or an election ID or your driving license, anything for that matter. You need to have your IDs in your bag whenever you are going to these certain places like hotels or the halls or something, where they ask for your ID proof, where you need to submit. So see that you carry it and give them to submit your ID proof. It is a must in this profession. Wherever you are going, it is a must. These are basic small things where everyone will not tell you, but yes, this is a basic where it is a must for all the makeup artists to carry your ID proof in your bag. This is it. So I hope this helped, and I don't know, this was a very basic just to let you know what is in my bag. So I don't know it was helpful or no. Let me know in the comments below, was it helpful or no. These are the basic things in your bag. It is a must, like your cream, your soap, one liquid soap, your mask, pad, one touch-up powder and compact, and the same time one lipstick in your bag, and one comb. It is required for yourself. Sometimes you have to get ready if at all there's a long hours of working, and if at all you want to get ready, so just basic touch-ups will make you feel fresh and look fresh. And these basic necessities which has to be in your bag, like for your safety, your sanitizers, your mask, your ID proofs, these are the basic things which has to be in your bag. I hope this helped, and do let me know in the comments below, was it helpful or no. Thank you so much. Take care and bye.